Hello and welcome back to another tutorial here on my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful flower granny square. It is made with a 4-color combination and this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started! For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook and we will start our work with a magic ring like this. Go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, then chain 1 and go into the ring again and work 1 single crochet by grabbing the yarn again, pulling it through, make a loop, then grab the yarn and pull it through both loops. Next we will go into the first loop of this single crochet. This is the first one, this is the second one. We will go into the first one, this, and work another single crochet on top of this one. And this combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet for this round. Next we will work a double crochet. For this we will yarn over once, go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then grab the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, and then grab the yarn again and pull it through the remaining 2. And we now have 2 double crochets. We will work with double crochets for this first round until we have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have completed all my repeats for this first round. We can close the ring now by pulling the yarn. And then we will join the work. We will slip the hook and we will go into the second stitch. This is the first one, this is the second. From the back of the work, grab this loop and slip stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work. And we can cut this yarn and join the next one. With our next color we will start round 2 and we will join it in this way. We will go in any of these stitches from the previous round and bring in this new color like this and chain 1. I will also carry these ends in the back of the work in order to hide them. Next we will work a puff stitch from 4 loops. We will yarn over, go into the same stitch where we have made the chain 1 and make 1 loop, yarn over, make the second loop, yarn over, third loop, yarn over, and fourth loop here. And we will grab the yarn and pull it through all these loops. Chain 1. And this will be our repeat for this second round. So this is a puff stitch. So across our entire round we will work a puff stitch in each stitch. Let's do this together one more time. We will go into the next stitch, yarn over, make the first loop, yarn over, second, third, and the last one, the fourth one. And now we can grab the yarn and pull it through all these loops and chain one. So we will work in total 16 puff stitches for this second round, and we will meet at the end of the round. I am now at the end of this second round. We have completed all the 16 puff stitches, and next we will join the work. We will chain one here to complete the puff stitch, and then we will slip the hook and we will go into this stitch on top of the puff stitch, and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain one to secure the work, and we can cut this yarn and join the next one. Our flower motif is completed with this second round. Next, we will start round 3 with the third color, and we will work a slip knot first, and we can start from any of these spaces between two puff stitches. I will start here, and we will work one double crochet. For this we will yarn over once, place the finger like this in order to have both loops on the hook, and we will go into this space here and make a loop and complete the double crochet like this. Next, we will work into the same stitch 2 more double crochets, so that we have a set of 3 double crochets. Next, we will chain 2, 1, 2, and we will work 3 more double crochets into this same space. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, we have completed the first corner of our future square. Next, we will skip the next space here between 2 puff stitches, and we will go into the second one, into the next one, and we will work a set of 3 double crochets here. One, 2, and 3. And this will be our repeat for our third round. Let's do this repeat together one more time. So we will skip the next space between 2 puff stitches, and we will go into the second one and work the second corner of our future square by working first one set of 3 double crochets, then chain 2, and end with a second set of 3 double crochets. And next we will skip again the next space and go into the second one and work a set of 3 double crochets for our second side of the square. And this completes our second repeat. For this round we will work 2 more repeats of these and we will meet at the end of the round. I am now at the end of round 3 and we will join in the same way. We will slip the hook and we will go into the second stitch. This is the second one and this is in the back the first one, and we will go from the back of the work into the second stitch and slip stitch this last stitch, chain 1 to secure the work, and we can now cut this yarn and join the next one. Our square shape is beginning to show with this third round, and next we will start round 4. We will first make a slip knot with this new color, and we can start from any of these corner spaces or chain 2 spaces. Again we will work 1 double crochet, and for this we will yarn over once, go into this chain 2 space and work 1 double crochet in the same way as we did on the previous round. And we will continue to work 2 more to complete one set of 3 double crochets, chain 2, and another set of 3 double crochets in the same corner space. So we have completed the corner in the same way as we did on the previous round. Next we will go into the next space between 2 sets of 3 double crochets and work another set of 3 double crochets. And next we will go into the next space between the next 2 sets of 3 double crochets, and here we will work another set of 3 double crochets. And this will be our repeat for this fourth round. So for the corners we will work the same combination of stitches as on the previous round, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and for the sides we will work in each of these spaces between 2 sets of 3 double crochets, another set of 3 double crochets. In total for this round we have 2 sets of 3 double crochets. And we will continue to work in this way with 3 more repeats of these, and we will meet at the end of the round. I am now at the end of round 4, and we will join here the work in this way. We will go with our hook into the second stitch, so not the first one, the second one, and slip stitch. And next we will start round 5, our last round or the edge round. Here we will chain 1 and we will work 1 single crochet into this same stitch. We will go into the next stitch and work another single crochet. And then for the corners we will work into this chain 2 space 2 single crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, and 2 more single crochets into this same space. And next we will start to work on our second side of the square by working into each of these stitches 1 single crochet. Make sure you don't miss this first one, as it can hide under the stitches that we have just completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this will be our repeat for this last round. We are left to make 2 more single crochets for this side of the square, but we have completed this at the beginning of our repeat here, where we have started to work on this first side and then on the corner of the square. So we will continue to work with this repeat. So we will continue with 2 single crochets here and then the corner in the same way with 3 more repeats of this, and we will meet at the end of the round. I am now at the end of this last round, and before joining the work we will cut the yarn and we will join it in this way. We will go with our hook from the back of the work into the second stitch. So this is the first one, this is the second. Grab this yarn and pull it through, and then again from the back of the work through the back loop only of this last stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. This way we have this nice and even edge for our square. And this is our final project. This is our final granny square. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!